tell Santa you wanted that too?
Open it. Yes. Open it for him. Open it. It goes I want to open the keyboard. Open it. Does this say Randy?
It sure does.
Here's a present for you, Randy. Oh.
Who's that from?
It's from Randy.
For Randon from Dasher?
Dasher. A reindeer got
Say
you.
Randy too?
That says Randon from Rudolph.
Mommy. Mommy, this present's from Rudolph.
Wow.
Here's another present for you, Rand. It's not a present for you. Open it. This says me, right?
Let's look. Lauren from Gavin.
Yeah. Open that present. What is it? Oh my. That present is going from here. Whoa! You watch it go. Brandon, open.
But time to move on. She's not sure.
Hey, Dad, this is from my teachers.
Oh, Mrs. Smith and Mrs. Williams.
Can I open this present?
Teacher good?
Yep.
Wow.
I can't remember that. Can I open it?
Yes.
Whoa.
Whoa, Randon, you got a coloring book. You like that? Okay.
Go find one.
Go find one that says Randon.
It's a penguin book. And another penguin thing.
A blow up penguin?
I want to open that present.
Okay, you can grab it. Go and get the green one for Rando.
Let's see how the strain does. Does this present say me?
It says Lauren from Frosty.